Hey, welcome back, guys. Just wanted to jump in here and show you a quick do-it-yourself restroom situation that you can pretty much put together for practically nothing out of recycled material. I've done a couple of other videos on how to use the restroom on a road trip or camping, and there's another one for a DIY shower. You can click on the playlist and check those out too. But this one's specifically for the restroom. So need to find a small coffee container. This happens to be a plastic one here. You can use metal if you like. It's just what I had on hand. It's very small, as you can see. And it does work. You can actually use this inside the vehicle. You don't have to get out of the vehicle if you don't have to. But I've already got this one stocked up. So you just pop the lid off. Got some hand sanitizer in here, just a small bottle. Got a roll of toilet paper. Want to make sure that you have your toilet paper in a Ziploc bag to keep it dry. And the only other thing that we have in here is this regular plastic grocery sack. So you take a few of those, you put them in the can. When you need to use this, there's absolutely nothing else left in the can. Just take the bag, drop it in the can, and spread it out. And there you go. You do what you need to do. When you get done, you just pull it back up, tie it off, and you can put it in the trash just the same as you would a diaper. So that's for mainly number 2. You could use it for number 1 as well, but that's what I use for number 2. And it packs back up quite nicely. Everything packs right in there. Put the lid on it, and you're all set. Now, for a number 1, at least for us guys, this works out quite well. You know, you can use any type of bottle that you want, but this is just a detergent bottle. And you'll see that it has the funnel in it there, and you can actually take this funnel out. So you can take a pair of pliers, you can pull that funnel out. You want to clean it. This one hasn't been cleaned yet, just got done doing the laundry. So you can pull that funnel out, and after you pull the funnel out, this is what you have left. You basically have the same type of container with a very large hole there. So you know, you can do what you need to do. It seals tightly, it doesn't leak, it's not translucent, so you can take that and dispose of that properly. But this size container seems to work quite well. This is the one on the right's a little bit bigger. It's 36.5 fluid ounces, and one on the left is 31. But anything in that realm will work just fine. It stores compactly in the vehicle, and it's discreet. So anyway, there's your options for a DIY bathroom, and can't really put any links down below for these, but I'm sure you have something similar to this laying around that you could make your own. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, feel free to like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.